Welcome to Food Venture, exploring the flavors of the world, where we take you on an exciting culinary journey. Get your taste buds ready, because we're about to embark on a mouth-watering adventure. 1. Asia. Our first stop is Asia, a continent known for its vibrant and diverse cuisine. From the spicy delicacies of Thailand to the savory street food of Japan, each dish tells a unique story. Let's dive right in and savor the flavors of Asia. 2. Europe. Next up, we head to Europe, where centuries of culinary traditions collide. Indulge in the creamy pastas of Italy, the smoky sausages of Germany, and the buttery croissants of France. Each bite takes you on a journey through the rich history and culture of the continent. 3. The Americas. Now, let's explore the mouth-watering flavors of the Americas. From the fiery spices of Mexico to the juicy steaks of Argentina, this region is a melting pot of flavors. Whether you prefer the tangy barbecues of the United States or the exotic ceviches of Peru, there's something for everyone to enjoy. 4. Africa. Our next destination is Africa, a continent filled with unique and vibrant dishes. Experience the aromatic spices of Morocco, the hearty stews of Nigeria, and the colorful platters of Ethiopia. Africa's cuisine is as diverse as its landscapes, and every bite is a celebration of its rich culture. 5. Oceania. Our food venture isn't complete without a visit to Oceania. Dive into the fresh seafood of Australia. Indulge in the tropical fruits of Hawaii. And savor the traditional hangi of New Zealand. Oceania's cuisine is a true reflection of the stunning beauty of its islands. Exploring the flavors of the world has taken us on a breathtaking journey through different continents, showcasing the richness and diversity of global cuisine. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary adventure and discovered new flavors along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food ventures.